Welcome back to Sharebility Uganda EDU Tech, your go-to channel for quality exam preparation resources. Today, we're diving into the UNEB Primary Leaving Examination, PLE 2024 Mathematics Past Paper. This is a fantastic opportunity for P7 candidates, teachers, and parents to revise and master real exam questions. Watch the questions carefully, pause the video at each step, write down the problems in your book, and try solving them on your own before we reveal the next one. This active practice will sharpen your skills and boost your confidence for future exams. Let's get started. That wraps up our detailed walkthrough of the UNEB PLE 2024 Mathematics past paper. How did you do? Keep practicing these real questions to improve every day. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with your classmates, and subscribe to Sharebility Uganda EDU Tech for more past papers, solutions, and revision videos across all subjects. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching. Keep working hard, and see you in the next video.